So today I want to show you how to crochet this very easy cat hat. I did this for my daughter, but you can do it for anyone you like. I will go forward very slowly and explain everything I'm doing, so you can do this only by following this tutorial. Let's begin. First, a little about the materials. For the yarn, I have used this Honey Bunny from Hobby in a pink color for my daughter, of course. Then I've used a 7mm hook, some scissors, and a tapestry needle. So let's begin. I begin with a slip knot. So make a loop with your yarn, take the long end behind, and then we chain. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and you just keep chaining until it reaches around the head you will be crocheting this hat for. I did 45 chains for my daughter. She's 5 years old, but you will just measure it around the head and stop chaining when it's long enough. Let's pretend that this is long enough. When you make it all the way and this fits around the head, you will skip the first chain, move on to the second chain, and single crochet. So insert the hook in the second chain and single crochet into this. And work a single crochet in the next. And a single crochet in the next. So just work one single crochet into each chain all the way across. If you did 45 chains and you skip the first one, you should end up with having 44 single crochet when you're across. This is your first row. And it will look like this when you're done. So when you make it all the way to the end and you did your final single crochet, you will now chain one to turn, and you will do this every time you turn the row. So now you turn, and then you skip your turning chain, move on to the second one and single crochet. And in the next one, single crochet. So just work one single crochet into each stitch all the way across. So one single crochet into each stitch. When you make it all the way across, you chain one, turn, remember to skip your turning chain, and then work a single crochet all the way back again in each stitch. Then repeat this, just a single crochet in every stitch, back and forth until it's tall enough. So I did 19 rows in total, and this measures 22 centimeters. And I will now sew it up. So we need to leave some for sewing. So just pick a good amount of yarn before you cut it. And then you pull this loop through to secure the yarn. And we find the tapestry needle. And then we fold it just like this. And then we sew it up all the way down here and all the way up here. So we leave this one open for the head. So just make a seam all the way around, here and here. When it's all sewn together and you only have this one open, you will of course weave in the end. I run the thread 3 times back and forth through some stitches, and then I cut the yarn. Then we can turn it so we have the right side out, and we have our little cat hat with the ears up here, and then we can fold it up down here if we wanted to have that look. And that's how you crochet a cat hat. I hope you were able to follow this tutorial. If you liked it, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!